forgot to record. So for question 2, we use sine. We found out that it was going to be 54 some miles. Now I got to figure out it in feet. And look, I'm not even going to ask you. I know there's people in here that are just going to take a shot in the dark and guess on whether I should divide or multiply by that 5,280 that's on your sheet. I don't want you to guess. This should not in this class, be a 50-50 shot. So let me show you how to guarantee the correct procedure, whether I divide this by 5,280 or I multiply. Go to your reference sheet if you don't have it out. 1 mile is equal to how many feet? 18? 4? 5,280 feet. Right off the reference sheet, everyone. Right off the reference sheet. Make it into a proportion now. This is in miles, isn't it? So I put it right under miles. 54.47, da 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 da. How many feet is that? Is it clear to everybody now what I should be doing with the 5,280? Should I be multiplying or dividing by it? 5? Multiplying by it. Don't make it a guessing game. Set up a proportion. Do the conversion, and then whatever you have, put it under the same unit. And then that'll be easy for you to see if I should multiply or divide. So yes, we are going to multiply this 5,280 times the miles you have, and now I can round. All right, now I can round. So when you're ready and it's rounded to the nearest foot, let me know. $17 when you're ready. 287,648 Good job. And I like that you put units on it because that's where we are. This. Are we okay? Whew. Pay attention to the units. All right, part B. So we went northeast 120. He went down 200. Well, the miles anyway, 54 miles. How many extra miles? Again, hey, extra miles, round to the nearest mile, so I don't need to convert. How many extra miles did he go instead of just going due east? Well, first thing is, let's figure out how many miles he went in the wrong direction. Wrong direction. How many miles did he go? We can figure that out right now. He went 120 plus. Now, which one do I want? The 287,000 or the 54? 54. We're in miles. So plus the 54.47885997. That's how many extra miles he went. That's how many miles in the wrong direction he went. What do I still need to find to see how many extra miles he went? What do I still need to find? This is just in the wrong direction. What do I still need to find to figure out how many extra miles he went? 9 thoughts? Darn right. The direction going east, a.k.a. that other leg. That's on you guys now. How long is that other leg? Okay, how long is that other leg? Couple different ways you could go about it. You could use sine, cosine, or tangent. Or if anybody's feeling really crazy, you could use Pythag. It's up to you. So fine going directly east. Come on. If you use cosine or Pythagorean theorem, hopefully we're getting about 106.9 written out though, miles, by going directly east. Questions there? And then now explain to me, come on. How do I figure out the extra miles here? So I know how many in the wrong direction I went. I know how many miles it takes just to go directly east like I should have. How do I figure out the amount of extra miles now? 20?
The number that we had before from the X and 120 miles, so we got the 174.4 miles.
Yep, so I take this here. I'm just going to cheat real quick. Right there, yep.
That's going to have y subtracted from it.
And then subtract it from going directly east, correct? And did you round that yet, Jonathan, to the nearest mile?
Yeah, I got 68 miles.
You did get 68 miles, which is correct. Questions? Okay, we're going to see what you're made of now. One change I just want you to make. Number one, can you, I forgot to take miles out. It should be to the nearest foot. I'm not going to have you change units on the very first one. All right, so nearest foot on number one. When you're done with one problem, either your group or you individually, if you're working individually, call me over and I want to check it before you go to the next one. All right, let's go. Let's see what we're made of. They're going to get tougher after number one.